to introduce our own factory. Okay, here now it's 12 o'clock in the noon and all of the machines in our workshop has stopped and every worker is going to have lunch. So I have spare time to make this video. Okay, now this factory belongs to us and it is more than 18 hectares. And on my left hand is our office building. Yeah, this is our office building. And that building behind me is our main workshop. Okay? And we moved to this new address in 2016 and it was once a textile factory before and we have done lots of changes to it. Now, please follow me to enjoy our factory tour. Okay, let's go. This is our main workshop. Guys, look at here. This is our main workshop, and almost all of the processing is taken place here, and all of our machines are CNC. And now, please look at here. Here are some flywheel blank, yeah, casting flywheel blank, yeah. This is some kind of our rear materials. Okay, now please follow me here. This is a CNC machine. It's very complicated and sophisticated. And here, this machine is still working. And this is called the flywheel milling machine, and it is processing a flywheel. It is very slow, it takes lots of time. That is the main reason why the high performance lightweight flywheel is much costly than the casting flywheel. Okay, see this? Okay, now please follow me to here. See, there are lots of cartons and boxes, the high-tech machines. Okay, now please look at here. There are some, ring gears and flywheels waiting for the next processing, such as, drilling, installing ring gear, and balancing and other processing. Yeah, we will finish them later on. Okay, here, follow me guys, please. Okay, you can see there are lots of high-tech machines with screen. I don't know how it works, but very complicated and dangerous. And do not take your kids to our factory. And here is aluminium. Yeah, this is aluminium materials for the high performance lightweight flywheels. That is aluminium. And yeah, we got also. And this is probably steel material for casting flywheels. Yeah. And you can see here we got lots of waste here because every day we are very busy and our workers are very hardworking, and every day we receive lots of orders from our customers all over the world. And now you can see this. This is the casting flywheel blank, and they are for trucks. The big American trucks, the heavy duties, the Japanese trucks. Yeah, so that is much bigger, you can see. Yep. And now I will show you something for our machines. You can see there are some boxes. And what's in this? Yep, flywheel. Yeah, for our customers, and maybe it's our customers' order. Yeah. And you can see there are all flywheels. Our machines are everywhere. I got something for you. Guys, look at here. You can see here press spin tag, and you can guess what it is doing, and it is, it can drill holes for, the flywheels. And a couple of years ago, our drilling machine is manual. It is not very efficient and effective. And now, thanks to our customers and their money, now we use the high-tech machine, the CNC machine. So our efficiency is much higher than ever before. Okay, now I will show you another machine. It is this, and you can see the Chinese in its screen. Okay, let me interpret things for you. It is dynamic balancing machine, and we all know that balance is very important and essential for every single flywheel. And in our company, every single flywheel we have manufactured has passed the dynamic balancing test. So I promise you, we can guarantee our quality. So that is the dynamic balancing machine. Okay. These flywheels, I guess they are waiting for the test. So here we go. Here we go. You can see there are lots of machines and the doors are closed. I cannot open them for you guys because maybe it will continue working this afternoon. So I don't want to do something bad. Or others. And next is our warehouse. You can see there are too many boxes stocking here. Yeah. And I guess there are more than 5,000 pieces, things stocking here, and they are waiting for delivery. I mean, delivered to our customers from all over the world. And here are lots of stuff, including flywheels, clutch keys, start motors, and so on. Yeah. So I will take you to the next area, and I don't have too much to say about our warehouse. It is very, crowded, and all boxes are here, and you can see the label. Yeah, you can see the label on the cartons or the boxes for our customers. Yeah. So that is our warehouse. Not very beautiful, but we don't have spare time to rebuild it because every day our company is very busy. Our workers, our factory is extremely busy. We don't have enough time to rebuild it. And now this place is worse, I think. This is our waste area. Sometimes we cannot guarantee every single thing we produce is perfect. So we must go some waste. So this is a waste area. Yeah, it's worse. I don't like this place. Okay, now I will show you the next area. Yep. Here. You can see flywheels are placed on the ground. And as far as I know, there are more than 1,000 kinds of flywheels here. And guess what are they? They are samples from our customers from all over the world. Yeah, we received orders and samples from our customers, and we placed these flywheels here, for some purpose, for the manufacturing process, I think. Yeah, this is our sample area. Okay, and now I will show you to the next area. And here is the area for stocking our casting flywheel blank. Yeah, all the flywheels are blank, and they are waiting for the manufacturing process such as drilling, milling, installing ring gear and something else, I think. Yeah. You will enjoy this place, I think. And then I come to this place. It is our place for stocking our cartons, our boxes. Yeah, you can see there are lots of boxes because every day we need too many boxes to, to deliver our products for our customers. But guys, sorry, I need to apologize. Some cartons or the boxes are from our customers, and for the privacy purpose, I cannot show them for you, but I can show you our own boxes for you. Come here, Alice. Show our audiences this. This is our own designed cartons for our products. You can see Zndmotor here, Flywheel clutch kit. Yeah, that is our own designed. But we could also accept our customers' boxes and cartons. So that's it. And you can see cartons here, the wood boxes here, waiting for delivery. They will be cargoes. Here and then, there is a very unique place here for stocking our ring gears. Yeah, okay, here. Here is our place for ring gear stock. And all of the things stocking here is ring gear. Yeah, lots of ring gears. So, that is our factory. And we got lots of kind and nice workers here. Everybody is friend, and we got lots of beautiful plant here, including fruits such as the peach. So that is our factory. It is a very beautiful place. And in the end, I really want to say thank you guys, and thank you for your time. And I really want to invite you to have a nice tour in our factory. Okay guys, that's it, and thank you. I'm Vincent from Zndmotors. Cheers.